Hello my dear friends, today I'll show you 3 ways to use the macro lens in your mobile. So in this video I'll show you how you can use your macro lens in your mobile. First one is, first of all, you have to have a mobile in which you get the pro option. That means a pro mode in which you will get the focus option. Okay, so you have to manual the focus or adjust the focus directly to 0 or from the right side to left side at the least point. Okay, then you can find that everything you are getting is totally blurry. That means it's a like what should I say, it's in macro mode. So this is the first way you can take macro photos just with your mobile without any macro lens. And the second one is, if you are using a mobile in which you are not getting any pro mode, like Google Pixel. As you know, I am using Google Pixel since last 1 year and I have no pro mode in my mobile to take macro shots. So in that case, what I do, I just do focus lock. What is focus lock? Just imagine this is my hand or this is an object in which first of all I will make a tap and I will focus on it, and as you can check, the rest area in the background is totally in like out of focus or blurred, and the main object is only in focus. So now what I have to do, I have to press on the object, like I have to press on it for few seconds, and as you can check, it will show that focus is locked. That means your focus is totally locked. Like if you go close, more close, it will be out of focus. If you like go far distance, it will be out of focus. In that scenario, you can zoom here. I will just zoom a little bit more to get more blur. Now you can use it as a macro lens. As you know, a macro lens means it gives you a power to go more close, and it, when you attach the lens in your mobile, you get totally blurry like scenario. So these are the 2 ways in which you can enable the macro lens feature in your mobile. So the last option is, you have to buy a macro lens. That means macro photography with mobile just with a macro lens. That is the easiest way, I feel so, and that is the best option also. Okay, so you don't need to do focus lock options, or you don't need to use any pro manual. Just use the lens, clip on it on your primary camera, that's enough, and just boom, explore macro world with your phone. Okay, so most of the professionals just use our macro lenses. What I mean by our, we are the M10 in India. That means we make M10 macro lenses. Especially we deal with macro lenses, we make it in by our hand. Okay, we use professional prosumer cameras to make this kind of macro lenses. You get proper detailed shots with these lenses, and there is no chromatic aberration as you get in Chinese macro lenses, easily available in the market. And one more thing, if you use our lenses, what benefit you will get? You will get that in normal macro lenses, whenever you try to focus, you get only center focus. That means the center of the object is only in focus and the rest part is out of focus. That we call is distortion. In our lenses, as we make it from old cameras, that means that are too much powerful in their case. That's why you don't get any distortion. Whatever you get is a black border of 1.5x to 2x. Just pinch to zoom and you will get the total area full in focus. So our lenses are chromatic aberration free, distortion free, and lifetime for you. So how to use? Now the main point comes, how to use the macro lens. Okay, so as you can check, you have to find what is your primary camera. That means maybe your phone has right now 3 or 4 cameras. Okay, so you are confused right now in which camera I have to put on the clip or put on the lens. So first of all, you have to identify which is your main camera. So what we'll do, it is too normal, just open your camera. Okay, then just put your finger on each and every camera. When you get that your finger is visible on the screen, that means that particular camera is your primary camera. And second point is your clip put on the primary camera. You will get a circle if there is a black border in that lens. Just zoom it and use it. Okay, so in this three ways you can use macro features in your mobile and explore the teeny world or tiny world just with your mobile. Thank you. If you like this video, you can check our more videos and subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, and if you want any lens, you can contact this number and WhatsApp me directly to get your mobile lenses. Thank you. Bye.